Typically, people are really distraught when they come to see us. They're in a situation where they can't pay their debts and they're embarrassed by the whole situation. The creditors are calling them, they're getting phone calls at home, phone calls at work. It's very distressing to them and they don't want other people to know about it.
They need to speak to someone who's qualified, who can offer them some advice, who they can trust and feel comfortable with.
We're not here to judge as to why you're unable to pay your creditors or what put you into this situation. We're here to help you move forward. To file for bankruptcy, you have to deal through a licensed trustee in bankruptcy. They are the only ones that have access to the legislation to provide you relief from creditors. The trustee's legal powers come from the legislation, so we can stop a garnishment of wages, we can stop them from continuing any legal action against your property. We've had situations where a debtor has tried to compromise their debt through a debt settlement company, made payments into them for a year, and then been sued by a creditor. They don't have the legislation to back them to stop the legal proceedings. Only a trustee in bankruptcy can do that for you.
At Taylor Leibow, we are qualified trustees in bankruptcy. When you come to see us, you come to see a trustee who has been licensed and trained to give you advice.
Typically, a trustee in bankruptcy has a university designation. The majority are chartered accountants, so we have the financial background as well to analyze your situation. We're regulated by Industry Canada, and we belong to a professional association which has standards and rules that we must abide by.
Not all companies out there are trained.
Taylor Leibow takes a different approach in that we treat each individual with respect and dignity. We want to come to a solution that's best for them, but also lead them through the whole process to ensure that they're rehabilitated and have the financial budgeting skills going forward.
I have sat down with people for over 20 years, so there's very little that you can come and explain to me that I haven't seen before.
If you're not ready to take the first step of calling us, visit our website at freshstartnow.ca. There's an evaluation form where you can answer some questions, then I will take that first step of calling you directly. If you're looking for a fresh start, Taylor Leibow is the place to begin.